My name is Timothy Banda, coming from Epiroc as a training supervisor. I've been in the industry for some time now, close to, say, 18 years now, and working on various earth-moving equipment, be it underground and surface equipment. Actually, to be involved is something good. Seeing, it's actually a privilege to see what you have through the industry experience, at least trying to be part and implement or put into the knowledge of what we're expecting, what is there in the industry of it. So it's a privilege, and I feel proud to be part of it. And when it comes to improving the impact, the knowledge we're having in it, things are changing this time. Too much of technology being applied in the industry, the machines movement. So, you have to at least impart or at least bring up new ideas to the curriculum so that at least it can suit the industry. Yeah, there are several, actually, the introduction of different modules, so to speak, because we are coming from the heavy equipment repair, advanced technician, of which now having this diploma in heavy equipment, introduction of new modules, and also, like I alluded to earlier on, the technology in industry has advanced, so to speak. So we find that if learners are able to get the knowledge of what is there in the industry, they are able to learn from the institution, and then they come into the industry, it will be a very effective situation. So it means the industries will be receiving more competent, more conversant to what the industry is offering. So the institution will be there to give them the good and quality information. Yeah, they will benefit very much. That, like I said, since you produce quality technologists, quality technicians, so of course it won't be like we just some time back. You would have students coming from various institutions of learning, of course. But what are they when they come in the industry? Some have a bit of old information, so to speak. But with the the validation of it, the industry is going to have a well knowledgeable individual coming to the industry. So in itself, the industry is going to benefit. And when you talk of like on the diploma level itself, we talk of how they are able to even manage, because you're expecting these technologists to be managers, so to speak. So they will be able to manage their section, they will manage their subordinates, so to speak. And that in itself is very, very good to the industry. And then you'll be having, there's too much of bringing foreigners, they understand this. But it's Zambians, of course, we need our own Zambians who are able to understand, even if they come from the institution, these no-tech, so to speak. We have very qualified student, a technologist, a technician, which the industry is going to benefit very much. Yeah, industrial tours are good. Yeah, but talk of mining sector companies, so to speak, which have got equipment, they can also help the institution of learning. They can provide those equipment to the institution of learning. So beside of taking students, or you have students, they will go to various companies so that they can have a feel what's happening. Even this, the companies, they can donate something to the institution, bring up the new technologies, support the local institution of learning. Why? Because when they bring those advanced technology, what they are using, and then they bring them into the institution of learning, produce qualified and suitable candidates or suitable technologies, technician, which will be to be very easy for them when they come into the industry. They have already seen what the industry is offering. Yeah, tours are okay, but even these, they can help the institution of learning. Yeah, they can jump on them in a way of course, good communication. They should be in good contact. Okay, even us coming from the industry aspect, I would say we should be having good communication with the learning institution. Why have I said so? Because we'll be interacting at a different level with the lecturers, even these learning providers, institutional, because we'll be able to see what are they offering, what equipment do they have. You see, so it will be even easy to see, oh, this equipment we're having here can be of use to this institution. So at least that interaction, communication between the industry and the learning institution is very, very cardinal, because we'll be like on the same level. And in that way, we'll most like have good information, both the industry as well as the learning institution. They should come, I would say they shouldn't even waste time. Let them come and feel what is there. This time, heavy equipment engineering, so to speak, there is more to it. It's not all about, the hydraulic stuff. There is a variety of things. And of course, it's not only that you'll be just there to be, repairing. It's even a way to open up, your own companies, because you're going to have this background, new contractor. This time you find that the mining sector, they're giving job to Zambians. So if you've got a good company with a background knowledge of the heavy equipment industry, heavy equipment engineering, you find you can be of good help employing Zambians. So, it's a variety of things, so to speak. But what I can just advise is come in the industry and see what is there, what is there. Indeed, we are benefiting very much. So just come around and then they'll enjoy the industry. They'll enjoy, it's nice. Yeah, we have engaged some. The performance is good since the introduction of this new technology, which were able to be seen at Notec when we visited their labs, their simulation. When they come into the industry, we're having people at least who are on a different level. So when it comes, it's not difficult to start like now marrying the actual things they are seeing, like the operation of our equipment. So it's something we are even enjoying working with these guys, because taking them to a different level, it has been a good system or process, because their background, this information they have to go to the next level, it has been a very smooth process, not having problem. And basically, most of the guys we have brought in, they're working hard. Like I alluded to earlier on about the responsibility, can even see we have got, good leaders, future leaders, so to speak, which is excellent. Let us keep on helping the graduates, those even the newly entry individuals. We'll just keep telling them what they expect to have. And, as you can just see, Zambia itself, mining industry, yeah, sometimes you can say the copper belt has gone down, the mining industry, but we have got a new copper belt in Solwezi, Lumwana, Kalumbila, still mining still there. So heavy equipment repair, engineering will be there. Yeah, and also we talk about construction equipment. They also apply heavy equipment engineering. So it's a lot which is on the table. No. Everyone. Say ladies, gents. So it's everyone, female, male. It's an everyone course. Male, especially, you know, in this time era, like where I'm coming from, they're even promoting female to take up, you know, these skills, so they can do it. There's nothing that it's not about strength, but the ability to do something. You know what they say? People can have knowledge, but no, the application of knowledge is what will be called wisdom, not so. So they have this knowledge, both a male and female, who have the knowledge from institution, and then they can be in this industry able to apply the knowledge they have gathered from the learning institution. So it's for everyone. So I can even encourage female to take up the challenge. They will enjoy the program very much, because we have many female who are doing so, and we have seen how they are progressing. When it comes to conduct, it's something individual has to a person. The conduct and behavior should be of priority, of course, because when it comes to industry, you know, there should be that aspect of responsibility-ness. So whenever you are entering into something, you should have the vision, of course. Where do you want to be? Where from this level I should be on the next level, not to speak, so to speak. So you know that vision. Of course, the vision will come with a responsibility attitude, so that when individuals go into this industry, they will know what to do. But responsibility-ness, I will emphasize on, they have to be responsible, because minus responsibility-ness, it will be very difficult for them to take up tasks. Because like you talk of, if we just to a technologies, we're talking of being occupying management positions. But if you're not responsible enough to, you know, to do that, you know, you can't manage your subordinates, you can't manage a section, you can't manage it. So responsibility has to be there to the individual. It has been a nice process to see how the curriculum are coming forth, and a lot of things, you know. But the most important is seeing how both the training institution and the industry are marrying each other in terms of information, and that is very essential, and personally I appreciate it very much. We used to visit NOTEC, and then seeing how other stakeholders are coming to help NOTEC.